come to the umbrella outside?
No freaks can blow it down.
You know some ear people are talking about it.
So you never feel it?
Well, Portmore never feel it as much as Kingston.
Whisper, and me for tell you, it's at 20 minutes I always a blow down here. The umbrella on the table gone straight up the road.
You mean it blew up the road?
Blew up the road. You want to see me and Karim run it down? Karim catch it and him and the umbrella take off and me have to hold on pan him. Yeah, I tell you,
Yes.
that was a freak storm. It worse than the rain. Worse.
You never know I say it's serious.
It is serious. So what Mr. Mullins calling for?
A full report.
So why him never call me?
Him say and him have to have a different talk.
Oh shit. I must board the interrogation.
Him give me film report about how me handle my money.
What him say?
Him say I handle myself well. And if it was a grading system, I would get a B+.
That mean I go get a E.
Why you feel so?
I get emotional, Whisper. I never handle it like an agent should.
I understand say him know your name and thing, but what happened? Why you get emotional?
Tell you the truth, Whisper. He might give me some lame excuse and I tell me what him go through. And I try insinuate say me no go through none of them something there. It trigger me.
So you make the man dry out so like your shoes this. You're not supposed to know better than that.
Well, I guess I have more things to learn for control my emotions. But that are just the first part.
Hold on there. You have a version. You have side A and you have side B. Tell me how side B go.
You know how the youth know my name?
I don't have a clue. Don't tell me say somebody we know you for a long time.
Him know me? Very well. We're related.
What? Related how?
I'm a brother. Blood brother.
Hold on there. Ashan him name. Tonian, Ashan him name.
Da, I know.
You know? But you not realize I don't name the party the call when she asks you who name Sean.
Yes, to kakaklat. Remember when me did say to Shepherd, but him say him nah see Per's face because him did hungry. And you know Shepherd, him no work for hunger belly.
You see why you should feed the man? You would have prepared for this, you know?
This, it mash up my head completely when me hear.
So you talk to your mother? What should I say?
It's a long story. Him I blame she I blame him. Him I say she not dead a fame. One bag of story Whisper. I have to sit down and talk to you about this.
This is a whole heap for digest. So, how you manage?
Me I try now Whisper. And me I worry about what Mr. Mullins are going to say to me.
Yeah. I'm not going to say you're too close to the case. So I'm not going to have nothing to do with it now.
That's why I never mind the local going out for free my mind. But we still end up work.
You know what all line I wrote that. I have to always be prepared. I just hope so that brother they never realize and make out a face.
I mean, I turn my back before him even see me. And this guy's that all up, I'm not gonna recognize my face.
Yeah. Plus you did have an accent and your dress code is totally different. But Mr. Mullins are planning to put it right on the front burner now. Because him said anything can jump off anytime.
Yeah, that did look really, really weird. The two of them in the same place.
And not only that, because Mr. Carlton approached Luna, and then while that happened, Mr. Tony forward on the same spot, and him never look pleased. You see when him see Carlton attack to Luna, that's when me did just get really alert, because me I say something can go on now.
Me not think them are gonna make no happen in a public. The two of them smart, so it's probably a mind game.
You're right. But you see right now, that Mr. Mullins focus. And him also tell Bubbles to get some information from Miranda.
Ah, she know. Where she for?
Based on her resume, she's who you'd consider a super agent.
Super agent?
Tactically trained. She's a perfect mole in a few countries. Perfect in about 6 different languages.
Oh, one of them then. Like the people who were watching spy movies.
Yeah. But this is real life. And one of them you can't trust.
You think them send her out here for be a mole?
We don't know, you know. But anything's possible. And that Mr. Mullins want to get to.
So, I'm not getting no report from Celine because Bubble says she for watch her.
Celine give a report. Say she see her at a specific location. So them are going to put in effect stage 2 of the plan. Them are go there today.
So, at that one talk about in a meeting?
That was a part of it. Plus keeping a closer eye on Tony.
Right now.